Yeah, I've never heard of this situation, and I'm kind of thinking this is what your insurance should be taking care of. But you know what? Hang on just a second. I have someone coming in. I'm going to ask. His house caught on fire. His truck was in the house. The house burned down. The truck burned down. The FASS burned with it.
That sounds like something to take care of with the insurance company. This is not a fault of the FASS system, quality issues on our end whatsoever.
Okay, but what can we do, Josh?
What we can do is we will fully stand behind our product. You register your warranty, and anytime you have any issues, we have a fully staffed customer service team that you can reach out to and help you. Whether you are having cold weather issues, you need to figure out which heaters you should be installing to prevent those issues, or in the very unlikely scenario you actually do have an issue with your FASS system, we're there. We will take care of you.
And when it's a manufacturing defect, we take care of it.